Welcome to Hitcoin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about Reflecto Coin, and yes, we were talking before also, exactly 11 days before, about Reflecto Coin. And I remember you guys to write down the date 15 November, and I hope you invested in that token because it was a huge opportunity, and it is still a huge opportunity. You see that chart, it is a 1 hour candle chart, and this thing just knows one direction, and this is to the moon. People are already here invested with 500,000, and the market cap is about 10 million right now. So guys, they are also get listed today on CoinGecko. It is time to take the money back and go to Reflecto Coin, right? But don't invest all your money. Be always careful. That's what I tell you all the time. But this video, I want to show you how to buy Reflecto Coin, how to swap it. On Pankaceswap.finance, you are doing this. And you need for that a MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet or whatever wallet is working with Pankaceswap. And what a MetaMask wallet is, you can find out on YouTube. There are many videos out there how to install MetaMask. I also made a video about it. So just search how to install MetaMask, and everything else you will see. It takes 5 minutes, guys. It's not a big deal. So let's exchange our BNB tokens in our Reflecto coins. You just have to copy paste here the address, right? Here you have the contract address, or on their website. It's here. Just copy paste it. And boom, here's Reflecto Coin. Just click on that, and now you can swap how much you want into Reflecto Coin. It shows you up how much you have to pay here, and down how much you get, right? And let's say we want how much we have now, 1,000 million, billion, 100 million. Let's say 500. Let's say 500 million, right? So, and you swap that, and maybe it will not work, and that's because the slippage is too low. Now the slippage is maybe too high, so that's why we will change that. I always click here before I change here. Let's make 5% slippage and look if it is working. Slippage is the tolerance between the actual price you accept. That's the slippage. So we have now the OK. We can pass through. Okay, transaction submitted. It's done. Now, very important, guys. Here we have a confirmation now from MetaMask. It works. We have a confirmation here from Pancakeswap, and very important, add Reflecto to MetaMask. Add Reflecto to MetaMask. Click that. It will open. Just click on that, and now you have it. The code for MetaMask, the address for MetaMask, for Reflecto token you have into your MetaMask. If you miss out and you don't know, you cannot find your token. Maybe it's not listed in your wallet, right? Then just click here on import tokens. Okay, right click, and again copy paste the token address. Now it tells me I have already done it. It will not work, but if you haven't done it, just copy paste, add custom token, and finish. So you have your Reflecto token inside the wallet address, right? Here you can see. So that's for it. That's for it now, guys. If you have some questions, write down into the comments what you think about this project, what you think about Reflecto Coin, and are you already invested in, or will you invest? You can see here the Reflecto Coin, right here, the amount. It will never show full because there are too many numbers, but if you click on send, if you click on swap, then you have here the right amount, how much Reflecto tokens you have. And right now I have 400 million because why? That's the slippage, guys, and that's the costs for the transaction, right? And you will always have some costs if you buy some tokens, but that's normal. That's normal. And don't be sad if you type here 500,000, now you have a little bit less. It doesn't matter, because if it is a good project, right, then you want to pay the price. Okay? And the next 100x or next 1000x, who knows where this travel goes with Reflecto token. But I can tell you, these guys have done everything what they said until now. So why not? Why not throw some money inside? Use Pancakeswap. Maybe install your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet before. And yeah, let me know what you think about this project. Leave me a like. And maybe write down into the comments, are you already invested? Will you invest? And subscribe this channel. It will help a lot to grow and show you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Guys, I wish you all the very best profits with Reflecto Coin. And see you in the next video. Bye.